What was that?
Oh yeah, up that distance.
What are you doing here?
Alright.
Timing may not be the best, but I got you something. Bring it in, boys.
How did you?
I am a professional investigator, remember? You'd be amazed what a few flyers put up around the neighborhood.
Let's test them.
Well, aren't you gonna sit on it?
Later.
Wow!
No,
You were
get
so
out of
much
here,
less
bud.
excited
You
than I
dead.
thought you were gonna be. I had to pay some hipster $500 to get this thing back. Not to mention the $500 I had to spend on cleaning it.
Sorry, it's fantastic. Thank you, Jade.
Are you okay? I have to drive
All
Jules
right,
home,
let's
but
get it
we can have
in.
dinner later.
Well, there's something I gotta do. I've been putting it off.
Right. Next time then.
Fuck it.
Next time.
Hell crazy, baby. Let's get this shit.
Nothing in that envelope's gonna change who Bruce was. He was your dad. Always will be.
Damn.
You know that, right?
I'm a dick. I don't even care though. Fuck it. My last Black Skull video messed up. We crazy, baby.
How you doing, kiddo?
Good. How's it going there?
Good.
Alright, let's go find some people. Yeah. Let's get this shit in. Come on, baby. Where is everybody? Like, what the fuck? I need one more person. Okay, I guess you're good enough. You dead, buddy.
How can you not love the beach? It's the best neighborhood in the
Sorry.
city. Just ask anyone who lives here.
I can't believe the irony of that is lost on you.
I mean, look around. It's like living in a small town. Beautiful scenery, great schools, quaint cafes.
Stroller convoys, yoga dress codes, tiny dogs and their nosy owners.
Nosy's good. Nosy's safe.
You know what else is safe? Locks. But we use in the rest of the city to keep out the nosy people.
Speaking of nosy, what was in that envelope your father left you? A key? That's it? No message?
Nope. I figured it was for a safety deposit box.
Why did your father keep a safety deposit box out here in the beach?
He didn't. We're here for a client.
Whoa, hold on, time out. Your dad left you the key to a mystery safety deposit box, and you didn't hot-foot it down to the mystery bank? You chose work?
Yeah, it's called self-control. You develop when you reach adulthood.
It's called avoidance, and you develop it when you're afraid of something.
Thanks, Dr. Freud, but case first, bank later.
What do you think's new?
Your guess is as good as mine.
Uncut diamonds. Wait, fake passports. No, a rare Pokemon.
I was wrong. Your guess is not as good as mine. This is it. Zoe Chow, apartment 44.
And why does she need private investigators?
Don't you see it? The room is moved. Not the entire room, just the couch.
It used to be over here.
Is this a feng shui thing?
Because I'm Chinese. No. Here, I have a perfect view of the beach. A foot over this way.
This is so funny.
Beach.
This Charlotte want to
So you think
snitch and
someone
shit.
broke into your apartment and
Oh, nubby.
moved your couch?
It's not just my couch. Someone touched my Inuit soapstone carving and Pop-Up Chow's bunny salt and pepper shakers. More than once.
And,
Whatever, though.
When does it happen? This touching?
Always while I'm at work.
Does anyone else have access
But
to
you
your
see it
apartment?
now, what?
Ex-relative, former tenant.
My ex moved to Dubai. I was hoping
Get
for
good.
February. I had
Train,
lived here
baby.
with my papa until she died. And she was living here 25 years before that and never gave out her key. Also, I hear noises.
What kind of noises?
Squeaking. But only at night.
Have you tried the police?
They won't take me seriously.
Imagine that.
There's also the rat thing. I woke up one night and they were crawling all over my living room. I ran out to call our building manager, Tony Suwatowska. When I came back, they were all gone.
Do you have any evidence?
Found a dead one.
Hell crazy, that's what it is. That distance up a little bit. I'm gonna go up this melee to 290.
I usually take my rats on multigrain, but
That's not mine. I don't eat gluten.
Oh
Someone else
yeah.
switched it.
Oh yeah.
I know how this looks.
Nothing
I'm
too
telling the
major.
truth. I swear.
You know what I'm saying?
You have to help me. Please.
What was your building manager's name?
142. OP, baby. We OP crazy.
Not every case
Huh?
has to be big and
L
small.
rages.
I like small. I just don't like crazy.
Maybe she's not crazy.
Are you kidding? That girl's got a one-way ticket on the Wacky Town Express. Her ticket is punched.
My dad and I used to get a case like this every once in a while. Common sense says to walk away, but your gut tells you this person needs help.
Oh, she needs help, all right.
If there's nothing to her story, we'll drop it. Until
Uh-huh.
then, we can build up
So
the throwback
funny.
shade through the window fund.
Low level beast mode.
Cruceferous? Upstate
Beast mode.
Leave too.
Oh boy. I've been totally avoiding this moment.
Whatever it is, Everett, I got your back.
Alright, let me see, should I
That is so much better than the Pokemon.
want to go to V1 to train melee, but you see me, damn, this goddamn TV is so loud. It's all good though. I'm gonna end this now and go post video.
We can save time by recording the affidavits in person.
Check me out right now, hiding good. Got a vamp on top of
We
me.
need to talk about your
You see what it is?
Can't.
Sitting here black skulled,
What's going on?
training, getting this melee up. You know what I'm saying? Nothing too major. Yeah, got that disc up. Get this melee up real quick. 142 OP.
Wait, sir. Wait.
That's what it is.
Please, Hector, we just need a statement.
I'm sorry, I can't.
Okay.
Did someone threaten you? You can get the
Did
police
someone
involved.
threaten you?
The fundraiser for the Historical Society is run by the city's largest health network.
Which office was Jonas again? Can you hear me? Angie, which way?
You know, for progress, as long as it doesn't come at the expense of the city's history.
Right. Which way?
Super lit right now. Getting it in. Let's get this 290 right here. You know what I'm saying? We about to get it. Yeah. Getting it in. Gonna get this melee up. Super lit. Super lit. Hell this. Oh yeah. Hail the rageness. That's what it is. Let me get that 290 melee. Come on, let's hit it. We about to get it. Oh yeah. That's what it is right here, baby. We up this. It's crazy game. I ain't playing. Yeah, 142, baby. We getting it in. We ain't playing here. Hell. That's what it is. Hell crazy. Yeah. Yeah. What? Oh, goddamn battery. You're with the bullshit. Battery, get off my ass. Stupid battery. Yeah, my battery always be wanting to be fucking some shit up. Let's get it. Let's get this. Come on. We about to hit this melee right now. Bam! 290, baby. That's what I'm talking about. See? That is what I'm talking about. Get good. Get good, man. Train, you see that? Bam! Up. OP. Okay. That's what we do. That is what we do. Now I'm just gonna AFK. Let's see what I wanna do. Now I'm just gonna sit here and, you know what I'm saying, AFK this. Just hit that. Look at that. That's 300 melee right there. 290 plus 10, baby. 184 disc, 290 magic. Let's get this. We ain't playing, Ragey. Okay. Alright, well, I'm gonna stop this video for right now. Hell crazy, like and sub. You know what it is. Good night.